If you plan to start a small business and want to succeed in the future, there is one thing you should consider: the entrepreneurial journey. Entrepreneurs might rise and fall, but they continue to strive for what they believe is the right way to serve their consumers. By new business ideas in 2022, we're actually talking of the way you want to serve the people and get paid for doing so. Now, not only are more people starting their own small businesses today, but they are also finding success where others have not. To be successful in business, you need to do your research on the market. Make sure you are adequately resourced and be ready to put in the necessary hard work. Hi, and welcome to aClasses Media. We create content to help small businesses stand out from the crowd. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to this channel so you never miss any of our educational content. Here are some of the small business ideas to start in 2022. Consider them carefully for what can work for you. Selling digital products online. The time of digital products is here, and as such, there is a need for a new way to sell these products online. There are several ways that sellers can go about this. One option is selling digital products on Amazon. This can be done by creating an account and setting up a product page, uploading the product, and then filling out all the required information for the item's description. Another way to sell digital products online in 2022 is through other e-commerce services like Etsy, eBay, or Lazada. Sure, some difficulties might arise when it comes to selling digital products on sites like these. The idea of digital products is not a new one. In 2022, the idea will be even more prevalent because of technological advances and increased internet connectivity. In 2022 and beyond, digital products will have a great impact on our daily lives. They will be a key component in most aspects of our lives, from how we shop to how we socialize and interact with friends and family. So this can be your way of providing a solution to the millions of people who are looking for what to buy on the internet. Become a freelance writer or data analyst. Freelance writers are an integral part of the modern workplace. Jobs for freelance writers are available in a wide variety of fields. Whether you're looking for technical writing, social media marketing, or even business writing, there are plenty of opportunities out there for any aspiring freelance writer. Data analysts are equally an integral part of today's data-driven world. They collect and analyze information from a variety of sources, including computers, databases, and past performance. They use this data to identify patterns and trends so that they can make recommendations for their employers or clients based on what they find. How can you make money as a freelance writer in 2022, you might ask? Well, in the world of AI writing assistants, freelance writing is not the easiest way to make money in 2022. However, one way to get around this is to offer services that are more personalized. This might be editing, ghostwriting, or content creation for businesses. Consider our services in aClasses Media, for example, where we create content for small businesses for marketing and the promotion of their brands. With businesses relying more and more on the internet to reach their audience, content marketing has become an integral part of their marketing strategy. A large part of content marketing is creating high-quality content for blogs, articles, social media posts, and more. App development. App development is a lucrative career option. Considering the fast-paced, dynamic nature of this industry, you can find yourself in tune with the latest technologies. Apps are now being used to keep track of health information, fitness goals, personal budgets, and more. The opportunities are endless. If you want to get started with app development, there are a few key items that you need to have. First, you will need a good understanding of the platform on which the app is going to be developed. It is also important to understand who your target audience is and what they want from your app. Finally, it is important to know the budget for developing the app and what features will be most relevant. App development might be a lucrative career, but it's essential to have a clear picture of the steps you need to take in order to get there. This includes deciding on which type of app you want to develop, how much time and money you have for marketing, what your marketing goals are, and more. Start a translation service in 2022. Translation services are used in many industries. Companies of all sizes rely on translation services to communicate with their customers and employees. The market for translation services is expected to grow into several billions of dollars by 2022. The demand for quality translation service providers is one of the main drivers behind this growth forecast. Localization vendors are also expected to help drive the market with localization software products available for desktop and mobile devices, as well as cloud-based. Start an online teaching business. Another business idea you can start in 2022 is to be an online teacher. To do this, you need to teach in person, and there is no risk of coming up short on students or work. You'll be surprised at how easy it is to start teaching online with all kinds of tools and courses out there that are available for free or for a nominal cost. In order to make a living teaching online in 2022, it is recommended that you use your skills to become a tutor. As a tutor, you can make as much as $30 an hour by providing people with the valuable skills they need to succeed in their careers. Online consulting business. Online consulting is a type of business model that offers expertise in various fields such as marketing, finance, law, or IT. They provide advice and evaluate projects from their clients. These consultants are available 24/7 and they charge a fixed fee per hour for their services. There are multiple reasons why online consulting has been growing in popularity in recent years. The rise of the gig economy, increased demand for freelancers, and the need for more efficiency in organizations. According to an article on jungleworks.com with the title Online Consulting, the Future of Consulting Industry, North America, which accounts for nearly half, or 44.5% of the global consulting market, generated around $78.7 billion in 2019, followed by Europe, which accounted for $45 billion. There are many ways to start an online consulting business. Create a website, use the internet to find clients, establish connections with businesses in your area, hire employees, and you are in business. Your takeaway from today's video? The small business ideas to start in 2022 are focused on the growing trend of businesses turning into a mobile model. It is a good idea to explore mobile-friendly designs, apps, and other digital solutions which will help in reaching the millennial generation. A strong digital presence is integral to the success of any modern business. The understanding of both how to take your company online and also the importance of social media in the marketing plan are essential to success. Customers want to feel connected with their favorite brands and businesses, so it is key for small businesses to create an online community where they can engage with people from all over.
If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section below, and we will respond to you as soon as possible. Don't forget to subscribe and share with your friends who might like this video. Thank you, and talk to you in the next video.